Welcome to Rich Mindset. We're looking at making money online, taking paid surveys. I've taken surveys in a lot of sites, and the funny thing is that there are some sites you take survey in, and when they are done gathering all your information, they'll tell you, sorry, you're not a great fit for this survey. And more that's in the pay no. But the beautiful thing is that I found one that is actually they are serious with what they are doing. So this is wise sense. So I take surveys on those sites and cash out when I'm ready to cash out. So this is what their dashboard looks like. Wise, and you could see how much I have already. $3 for now, for just for today, the surveys I took. So this is wise sense. You could take paid surveys here. You could make money through referrals and all that. And the beautiful thing is that you can cash out your money. This is not like when you're done, they are done gathering your information, they'll tell you, sorry, you're not a great fit. No, these people don't do that. They're really legit for paid surveys. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and use my link in the description box to sign up. I do get a small commission when you sign up to this paid survey site. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.